Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. Just want to welcome everybody back to the channel. New subscribers, old subscribers, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. I just want to thank everybody for viewing and commenting and everything else. Greatly appreciate it. So today we have the F28 on the table. This is a ready to run. It's a new mini, basically from Team Associated. I'm not sure how new it is, but it's new to me. But hopefully you guys get to enjoy the video. We're gonna do unboxing today and we're gonna do a first run. So let's check it out. Now we'll say thank you to Rob at Bayshore Hobbies. He actually had them in stock. So, you know, definitely big thanks to Bob at Bayshore Hobbies. Definitely appreciate it. All right. So we'll take the whole box out, show you everything. All right. So this is how it looks out the box. Very cool. I've always been into Formula One cars from a kid. I mean, I literally sit there and watch Formula One cars all day as a kid, and still now, obviously. I can't get away from that. Very cool looking cars. I appreciate it. Let's see what's involved with this thing. All right. So the wheels and tires kind of look similar to the drag racing wheels that they supplied us previously on the drag car. They I don't know if you're familiar with it. Pardon me. They have I believe it's called the DR28, which is a drag car. Same thing, the 28 scale. I had that vehicle also. It's pretty cool, but had nobody to race, of course, you know, so. I believe I donated it to one of the hobby shops. So hopefully, you know, somebody else could enjoy it, you know. All right, let's cut this out. Okay, so they supply us with the remote. I'm not too sure of what model it is. Oh, it's the T3924A. That's at least the model number of it. Okay. Definitely small enough where you can use it in one hand and steer and drive and stuff, so that's very convenient. They do give you 4 AA batteries already. All right, batteries all in, ready to go. Check out the manual real quick to show you guys. Looks like just a standard manual, nothing crazy. Okay, just to give you some insight. So I believe my HPI used to do this years ago. So I believe you charge the vehicle by the remote. Okay, so the charging plug is located on the inside here, on the bottom plate where you put the batteries. Take this plate off and you'll literally locate this little wire connected to the inside. You just unplug it from the inside, and then now you plug it into your car and you take it from there, basically. All right, let's take these little clips off and see what we have here. Ah, okay. So Velcro. And just to show you guys the actual body of the car. Really nice details on it. It's not bad. From Team Associated. Guy. Very cool. Just to show you the underside, the underbelly. They have a piece of Velcro on the bottom to hold the front end down. And then they have this clip for the rear, like our usual body clips. All right, so let me just confirm this. Turn it off before you start charging. Make sure you have the batteries and the transmitter and charging the vehicle, and then it will turn off when the vehicle is full charge. So I'll just read you the directions real quick of the charging, just so at least you are aware of the steps to the charging. So it says, warning, make sure the batteries are installed in the right direction as marked on the transmitter's battery door. Number 1, warning again. The vehicle and transmitter need to be turned off before you start charging. Make sure you have new batteries in the transmitter. Thank God they provide brand new batteries, right? The charging indicator light will turn green when charging the vehicle. The indicator will turn off when the vehicle is fully charged. All right, cool. Unplug the charge cord from the vehicle. That's step 4. Caution, always turn vehicle and transmitter off when not in use. All right, we'll go to step 3. Turn the transmitter on first. Vehicle on second. Step 1. Step 2, adjust steering trim so the front wheels point straight. Step 3, turn the vehicle off first. Transmitter off second. Caution, always turn vehicle and transmitter off when not in use. All right. They have a binding step also. Just turn on the vehicle and press the bind button. The LED on the vehicle will begin blinking rapidly. Turn on the transmitter. When the LED on the vehicle becomes solid, the binding process is complete. All right, it's pretty convenient. All right, let's check the vehicle out. Let's see what else we could do. Well, I guess we'll start charging it, right? That'd be cool. So I was planning on changing the motor, but the motor looks too small. Yeah. So the motor is located right here. Right here. That's the motor right there. So this is a 2-wheel drive. Very cool. Really no suspension in the front, just suspension in the rear. Not bad, that's cool. All right, let's see. So it's saying to plug this in. Boom. Okay. Yep. We are in business. So you plug that charging wire in. Make sure the vehicle is off. Make sure the transmitter is off, and you plug it in to the hole on the right side of the vehicle, and you are good to go. We are charged. We are charging now. So it says that when the vehicle is finished charging, the battery light will turn off. So we're not going to wait for that. I'm going to cut the video and I'll show you guys when the vehicle's done. All right, I'm gonna hold you guys up. So I just took out the F28, right? Just ripped it around in my house. Again, just to show you guys suspension. It does have, you know, they're not oil filled or anything like that, but you know, it does have suspension travel on the rear. But car is very cool. I don't know what the F means. Formula One maybe, or freaking cool. But whatever the F stands for, definitely is a cool vehicle. Definitely something that you could just rip around inside the house. Again, get a few of them. You can rip around with your family, the kids, with the wife, with your husband, whatever it is, you know, of course, whatever you have, your spouse, all right? Very cool. Just to show you the on and off button on this vehicle. It is right here, located on the bottom. All right, so it is very convenient, even if you have the, you know, the cover already installed. You don't have to worry about trying to take the cover off and locate the switch for the, you know, for the battery. So good to go. Very cool, very convenient. Take this thing to the office, you know, on your lunch break. You and your buddies can go rip around in the office. You know, you going on vacation, you know, the wife or your husband doesn't want you to take all the cars and you don't want to take all the big cars, whatever it is, you could definitely slip this in your purse or in your book bag very easily, okay? Incognito. So very cool, very fun. You know, I could definitely see myself taking this thing out and, you know, trying to hide this thing from the wife, you know. I don't know, what do you think? Do you think she'll notice? See? Boom. Good to go. You can't even see it anymore, right? So either I can do something like that, or maybe let's see. Let's see if we can do the pocket thing here. Oh wow. Okay. All right. So a nice pair of gym shorts. Boom. I can conceal it in the pocket. So we can actually call this thing a pocket rocket, right? All right. So my final thoughts, like I said, car is definitely very cool. The steering actually isn't bad. You know, it's not the greatest, of course. You know, there's always, I'm assuming there's ways you could probably, you know, make it better, you know, but right out the box, it's good. It's not bad at all, to be honest. The car's pretty fast, actually. I was actually surprised, you know. Definitely not a bad vehicle. Definitely not a bad vehicle. All right. If you want to hit me with some comments down below and let me know what the F stands for. Again, is that for F1? Is that for freaking cool? Like, what does that stand for? I'm just kidding. All right. But definitely, everybody enjoy your RCs. Hope you guys have a good day. And it's your boy Rocky from Rockside RC. Catch you on the next one. Rockside out.